Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we have epic fantasy choices for you. Would you rather create your incredible dream house with unique fun choices? But before we dive in, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's get started. First choice. If you could move in tomorrow, which dream house would you pick? Next up, think about the entrance. Which doorbell do you want to hear every time someone visits? Now picture the door itself. Will your guests walk through a blue, pink, or green door? Time to level up the bathroom. Do you choose the Hello Kitty toilet, the Stitch toilet, or go with the My Melody? Now, imagine your backyard. What kind of pool do you want waiting for you? Moving on to nighttime. Which lamp would you keep on beside your bed? 1, 2, or 3? Here comes a fun one. Would you rather relax with a Peppa Pig, a Care Bear, or dive into a SpongeBob inflatable pool? Back inside. Which desk looks more like your style? First, second, or third? Now think about magic. If you could open only one door, which magical door would you choose? Unlimited money, unlimited love, or unlimited blessing? What you get, comment down below. Time for the bunk bed round. Where are you sleeping tonight? The bathroom just got an upgrade. Would you step inside for a bath? Next choice. Which cute animal is stealing your heart today? Now it's time to design for your dog. Which dog house do you want? Left, middle, or right? Back to the house. Which cozy corner would you want in your home? Make your choice. Here's a task for you. Comment your favorite movie, your favorite candy, or your favorite animal. Now let's see which Crocs take the spotlight. 1, 2, or 3? If you could drive one supercar around the city, which one would you choose? All aboard. Which subway gets you straight to your dream house? Angry Bird, Paw Patrol, or Minions? Controllers ready. Which gamer setup is your dream zone? Now design your bedroom. Which creative style will you choose? Let's climb the stairs. Which staircase do you want in your mansion? Think about your living room. Which one feels most like you? Here's a quick challenge. Stitch is going wild. Can you tap at the perfect moment to land him on the surfboard? How many tries did it take? Let us know in the comments. Time for details. Which mailbox would you place outside your home? Let's pick your comfy sitting. Which chair looks most comfortable to your? Pick one. Movie night. Which home cinema room would you pick? Time to pick your bedside table. Left, middle, or right? Make your choice. Underwater vibes. Which aquarium looks better to you? Snack time. Would you eat Sweet Bear sandwiches, Hello Kitty Swiss roll, or go for third dish? Quick challenge. If you enjoy, then hit the like button, comment your name, and hit the subscribe button. Next choice. Which chandelier would light up your dream house? Let's play. Which playroom would you pick? 1, 2, or 3? Which pool table belongs in your house? Option 1, Option 2, or Option 3? Now pick your coffee table. Which one you want in your dream home? Time to relax. Which beanbag sofa gets your vote? Up next. Which pillow looks the comfiest? It's time to pick your fruit sofa chair. Make your choice. Now let's choose your pathway. First, second, or third option. Outside the house now. How would you design your porch? Let's pick your cute toys. Which one you want to cuddle with? Pick one. It's sync time. Which sync matches with your dream home style best? Inside again. Which rug matches your vibe? Bonus round. Pikachu fans, can you find the Pikachu that different from the rest? Time's up. Different Pikachu is hiding right here. And which candle holder do you like the most? Now for a drink. Which Starbucks would you choose? Music lovers? Pick one instrument that you want to play in your dream house. Time to pick your walk-in closet. Which one suits your style best? Pick one. Let's go for a camping. But first pick your tent. Which perfume do you pick? Which fragrance matches with your vibe best? Coffee lovers? Which coffee machine gives your perfect coffee every time? Mirror, mirror. Which one do you want in your dream home? Your ceiling needs a fan. What is your choice this time? Almost there. Which dressing table belongs in your room? Step outside again. Which backyard feels right to you? Book lovers? In which library you want a seat and read your favorite books? Final choice? Let's pick your wardrobe. Which one you go with? That was amazing, incredible dream house adventure. You crushed it. But hey, why stop now? Your next adventure is just a click away. Tap on the next video on your screen and let's keep the fun going. See you there.